Okay, so in last class, we discussed about comments in Python, and today we will discuss about very simple thing. Two things we will discuss. One is the print function, and one more is the input function. See, what are the basic importance of these print and input functions? See, basically, print is the function. Print is a Python predefined function. Print is parenthesis. Print is Python predefined function, which is using for print something. See, something means whatever it may be. It may be a string. It may be a string. It may be a function. It may be a variable. It may be a data type. Whatever the content you want, you can print with the print function. So print mostly using for check output of data, check output of data, and understand program flow. Program flow. So this is a major important thing about the print function. So how you can write print function we can write using with a single quotes, and the print function we can write with double quotes. For example, okay, so print Python. When I say print Python programming, when I say print Python programming, so that Python programming a string which is going to be printing on top of the output. Now when I say print double quotes and Python data analytics. This is going to be printing on top of the screen. Okay, so print, you can give triple single quote also. Triple single quote also using for the print. Okay, so Python for data science. And one more thing, print triple double quotes also we can use. Triple double quote open, triple double. And Python for AI. See, how many ways you can work with the print? Print with the single quotes, print with the triple single quotes, print with the triple double quotes. So in the four ways you can able to define print function. And one more thing is input function. What about input function input is Python predefined method, which is using for take input from user. Take input from user. For example, when I say input, enter your name. Enter your name. So it will give when I execute the above line. When I execute above line, immediately what is going to be happening? When I execute above line, what is going to be happening? It will ask you for name and buy a checkbox. Buy a text box. And one more thing, input will take data as a string type. Even you are entering a number, for example, enter a number like 10. If I enter number something like 10, it will take, for example, enter a number. When I say enter a number, enter a number. When I say enter a number, it will give you immediately a box. When I execute this line, it will give you immediately a box. When I execute the program, it will give you a box. Okay. So what this box is actually saying, enter a name. No, sorry, enter a number. It will show something like enter a number. When I try to type a number inside it, for example, if I'm trying to enter a number and execute the line, execute the program. When I execute the program, the value is going to be something like this. It is taking as a string. It is taking as a string. Even you enter a number, but number taken as string. Why? Because of input by default take data type as string. Okay. So we will do a lot of applications, a lot of programs on this. The input we can pick a price salary calculator, different kind of product price calculator, all these things we will see. Okay, so that is the issue. And we will store the employee details as a list of items, as a couple of items, all these things as a data structure also we will see. Okay, so for this time we will check how this input and print functions are working in the Python code. Okay, so this is the theoretical part, and let's go with the program also for this input and print now.